Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about how to prevent your eyeliner from smudging throughout the day. Huge raccoon fan, but not when it comes to makeup. So my first tip is to wear an eyeshadow primer. An eyeshadow primer is going to ensure not only that your eyeshadow stays on, but your eyeliner stays on as well. Think of it as glue for the eyes, which sounds really weird. So you want to lay this down first on the eyes before you do any eye makeup, and that's going to help your eyeliner stay on better. Another really great tip is setting that eyeshadow primer with a little bit of powder, and this is any translucent powder. Just do a light dusting, especially if you get really oily lids and you are like getting serious raccoon eyes. This is going to help prevent that. So just do a light dusting of this on top of your eyeshadow primer. What that's going to do is create another layer where your eyeliner will grab on and not go anywhere all day. Another trick I want you guys to try is using a black eyeshadow and going on top of your eyeliner with a small brush. Dip into the black and then go on top of that liner. What that's gonna do is set it. So just like when we do our face makeup, our foundation, our concealer, we go in, set it with a setting powder. Same thing with black liner. You think of it as a cream. You go and lay it down first, go in and set it with the powder so that it locks all day, it doesn't slip and slide everywhere, and you're good to go. The next tip is to look out for the type of eyeliners you're using. You might be using an eye kohl that is actually intended for smudging out and is really smoky. Like I know the one from MAC, Smolder, that is not gonna stay on in the waterline. You wanna go for a more gel-based waterproof style eyeliner. One of the best eyeliner pencils that I've ever tried, and I swear by, it is by Marc Jacobs, and it's just in their standard black, but this is a gel-based formula. It does not move anywhere. It's totally worth the money, you guys. I would not be recommending it to you if it did not, but really just pay attention to the ingredients. If they're gonna be a kohl pencil, they're gonna slip and slide more likely than a gel-based formula. So you really wanna pay attention to that and maybe lean more towards waterproof. And that is a good layup for my next tip, which is to maybe avoid applying eyeliner on the inside of the eye. That tends to make the eyes run a little more because your eyes are really watery throughout the day, and you know, we're doing a lot of eye movements, so it tends to run because of all the movement and makes the eyeliner come down. So maybe try focusing the eyeliner just a tad bit on the outside, or do what I did, just take a tad bit of eyeshadow, run it underneath the eye, which mimics the look of eyeliner without the scariness of eyeliner falling. This is shadow, which stays right in place, and that's just another really great tip for you guys. And my last tip is to set your makeup. So I love using a setting spray. This always helps me, especially if I do like a crazy wing liner like I did today. I always want to go in with some sort of setting spray. This one I have here is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and you just go ahead and seal everything in. And I especially like to make sure I hit both eyes so that the eyeliner stays in place and the rest of my makeup stays in place. What did you guys think of this video? I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you'd like to see next in the comment section below. I read all your messages. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.